Hello, it's Surbhi, and today I'm going to share another study vlog with you. First thing first, I open my curtains and pick up quilt and blanket from my bed and keep all the things in the right place. I wake up between 6 and 7, but this particular morning I actually wake up at 5 o'clock cause it's a great way to start my day on a positive way. Then I go outside in this beautiful winter morning, and let me tell you, the air is so fresh and wakes up every cell in my body. So grateful for these chilly mornings. Waking up early has its own magic. The world is still asleep, and it feels like I have a head start on the day. And then I go outside again and do a few exercises to get my blood flowing and wake up my body. And today I'm with my cousin Rishika, and then we both went for a morning walk. And then we both did meditation for 15 minutes cause it helps me to improve my focus and concentration and brings to sense of calm of my hectic life. You guys also should do meditation for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day because it's very helpful for our mind. It's like a workout for our mind. Now it's time for my morning study session, starting with solving MCQ of biology. Today I am studying for my upcoming test and working on some assignments.